This is a must buy if you're starting your own small business. Hey beauties! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Harris and welcome to my channel. Alright, so for today's video, it will be a whole kind of haul for my small business that I'll be launching in about 3 weeks time. So if you're interested, I've linked all of my website as well as Instagram of my small business down below. Just take note that I will not be showing the whole inventory of my video, as I feel like some of them is actually not necessary. So yeah, I'll be moving on to the very first bunch of items, which are, I'll call it supplies. So as all of you know that I'll be selling jewelry, and for now it's mainly on necklaces because that's the one thing that I'm able to make as of now. But God's will, I will progress to make, rings, bracelets, chokers as time goes by. And girl, progress is important. Alright, so as you can see that I'm wearing a necklace that's self-made with love by me for me, girl. Do you see that? It's a bee. You bee, you better get out. Okay, so where were we? I can't remember. Okay, yeah. So this is one of my necklace. I don't know if you can see that I'm selling, and it'll be on my website. So just take note that for the first 60 customers or orders from my website will get a 15% off as well as a customized code made by me. 61 orders and above will only get a generic 10% off, like for example, code 10. Alright? Girl, you shoo, you go away. I'm so scared. Should I just close my window? I think I should. Hold up. Oh, it's so scary. Alright, so now I'll be showing you the, what's this called? Wire. Is that a wire? I don't know, girl. Okay. Let me find where I put my wire. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, girl, I'm back. Alright. So this will be the wire. Let me just show it close up. This will be the wire that I'll be using for my jewelry. So if you're into stunning gold and very small detail, you're advised to get my jewelry, girl, honey. I'm so confused. Hold up. Alright, so this is the jump ring that I got. I only bought a few to just, to test out. It's not drop. Can you see that? This is my drum ring inside a very small container. I'll get more of this, I swear. I like to adjust to the length. Like for example, if you don't like it to be this long, I'll just use the extension to shorten it a bit. Look how cute is that? Let me find the extension. Alright, the extension is here. Alright, so this is the extension of my jewelry so that it's, you can adjust it to the line that is needed. It's a little bit bigger than the main jewelry wire. I don't know why I call it wire because I don't know what to call it. Now now I'll be moving on to the fun part, which is actually the business card and thank you card. This is actually my business card. It's a very nice pink glossy card. It's so cute. This is my brand jewelry.co, and if you turn behind, that's my name on it. You can see Harris Z, CEO / founder of the brand. Girl, work. Alright, so over here I have my Instagram account, email account, just in case you guys need. You guys have some inquiries for me and I'll answer you guys. I can just email me. I don't mind, girl. And then after that, the last item would be my website for you to shop. So this is my business card. It's super cute. I'm in love. I'm so excited. Alright, moving on to my business card. My business card is very simple. Ew, girl, I cannot take it out. Okay, it's here. It's just, oh my goodness. Okay, it's the same type of material, glassy, just like my lips, glassy. Yeah, so it's the same type of material with my logo on it, and it just says thank you for your support, and it just says from the bottom of my heart, thank you for helping my small business out. It really means the world to me. Please enjoy the 15% off your next purchase. So you can see here, tag us to be featured. Then I will repost all of your cute photos on that site. They call it site or they call it page. Yes, page. And then this is use code blank to at checkout. So for example, if your name is Sophia, I'll just use code Sophia 15 at checkout. How cute is that? Girl. But if you're my 61 order, I'm so sorry. It'll be just a generic discount with only 10%. Girl, I'm so excited. Okay, now it is done. Okay, I'll have to look at the list of items that I bought because I totally forgot and there's so many. Just wait for me. The very cutest part of them all, which is packaging. I'll not show you what type of box will the item be in. If you want to watch that, you can wait for my packaging video, and remember to subscribe to my channel so you get notified when I do that video. Alright, I think I'll just show you guys my bubble mailer, the very important thing, label printer, and the scale and the pliers. Alright, let me take up my bubble mailer. The bubble mailer is actually quite essential. I cannot pronounce essential in every type of business. So it's very important. Hold up, let me open this. Girl, they gave me a free bubble mailer. I'm in love. Look, girl, look at this. I don't know if the camera's catching up. The camera's taking the color well. I don't think so, but it's basically rose gold. I guess I can use this for my first customer. You get a rose gold because you're so special. Alright, and then the rest is in here. A very cute pink bubble mirror because I'm into pink. Pink is my life. Like, yes. So yeah, I'm thinking of getting a smaller version, maybe like side so that the box can fit in really nice. Maybe this one I will use it for big orders. Maybe if there's like 2 to 3 orders, I will just put your stuff in this bubble mailer. Alright, so bubble mailer is done. Let me take out my skill. So this is my skill. Okay, and let me open it. Okay, so this is just a very simple kitchen scale. Obviously, I have to weigh my items before shipping it out to you guys. Let's take a look. This is so cute. Look at this. It's just the basic blue in color. And yeah. So basically what I will do is to put the bubble mailer on top of this, and I'll weigh it. Obviously it'll be on my table. I do not want it to be in the air. I'm not serving trays. I am serving jewelry. Honey? Yes. Alright. So the last few items will be the pliers. That I use to make my own jewelry. I have a total of 3 pliers. So the first one is actually very straightforward. This plier is called flush cutter. This is very essential for you to cut your wires or for you to shorten anything. Yeah, so this is very important. Once again, it's called flush cutter. The second item, actually both of these items is very important because as you can see, my jump ring is actually very small and my hands is big as a giant. I can't. So these 2 pliers will help out. You can see one is a bit thinner, this one is a bit thinner, this one is a bit rounder. Will help out to open and close your jumper and make it secure as possible. Girl, it's not easy to make this. It took me quite some time to learn and how to make it proper, so I can deliver the best quality and best service for you guys. I do not want my jewelry on the way to your place, all of a sudden the jumping broke and the wire is not intact. I do not want it to happen to any of you guys that will order my item in the future. That's a no. I'll take my time to learn how to put the jump ring slowly but steadily and securely so that the item is perfect. Just like me. Girl, I'm joking. That's it for my mini haul for today. Once again, please remember to follow my business account on Instagram and TikTok and support me. You can support me by not just buying, but by liking the content on my Instagram and TikTok and sharing it with your family members, relatives, and friends. That small gesture will just help him out. Help who, girl? It will just help me. Yeah, so I was saying that small gesture will help me out in growing my business, making more fancier jewelries in the future. So once again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, and also subscribe to my newsletter when I launch. I'll be launching somewhere in the end of September, so if you're interested and you cannot wait to get your small jewelry like this, please wait for my launch day. That'll be in the end of September. Alright, so if you're liking this video and you're seeing this video all the way to the end, just please like this video, as well as leave a comment down below on what video you think I should do next. Alright, so that's it for me for today. I'll leave it to you guys to support me in any kind of way, not just by buying but by sharing. Alright, I think I've talked too much. I'm a bit thirsty. Yeah, I'm a bit thirsty already. This is, I think, the longest time I've ever talked. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.